In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to tidy up your list of accounts or perhaps retire an account that's no longer in use, this process is simple and straightforward. I'll guide you through every step to ensure you can do this easily on your own. First, you need to log into your QuickBooks Online account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon. This icon serves as a gateway to many of the settings and features that QuickBooks Online offers. Give it a click to open up a drop-down menu of options. Within this menu, you're going to look for the Chart of Accounts option. By selecting Chart of Accounts, you'll be directed to a page that gives you a comprehensive list of all your current accounts. This list is incredibly useful for anyone managing multiple accounts, as it offers a snapshot of each one, including balances and types. It's crucial to ensure the account you're working with is the one you truly want to make inactive, as these changes can affect your financial reports. Now, take a moment to browse through your accounts and locate the specific one you want to make inactive. You might need to scroll a little, especially if you manage a substantial number of accounts. But once you find it, this is where the core of the action happens. Right next to the account name, you'll notice a caret icon. It usually resembles a small downward-pointing arrow or triangle, and clicking on it will present you with additional actions you can perform on that account. Go ahead and select this arrow to reveal the list of available options. Among the list, you should see an action labeled Make Inactive. Simply clicking on this will initiate the process to make your selected account inactive. QuickBooks will then confirm this action with you, and once confirmed, the account will no longer appear in your active accounts list. However, it's important to note that making an account inactive doesn't delete it permanently. It just hides it from your regular view, ensuring that your list remains neat and uncluttered. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully made an account inactive in QuickBooks Online. This small effort can go a long way in streamlining your finance management. Remember, you can always reverse this if needed by accessing your inactive accounts and reactivating them. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks Online tips. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.